Welcome to Vision Academy. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create an AI-generated talking photo avatar completely free. Let's get started. Open Google and search for Jogg AI. Click on the official link. On the home page, click on Log In or Sign Up. I will click on Log In. Once logged in, click on AI Tools. Under AI Avatar and Voices, click on AI Avatar. Scroll down and click on the Create for Free button. Now click on Talking Photo Avatar X. Here you can upload your own photo or choose from the ready-made images in the Try These section. I will choose this image.
Welcome to Talking Photo with Avatar X. Just type your script to get started.
Next, you can type your own script, upload an audio file, use AI Writer, or click on Randomize. I will choose Randomize to generate a sentence automatically. After clicking Randomize, a sentence appears. Beside the sentence, you'll notice a small down arrow. Click on it. Here, you'll find options like translate into different languages, improve writing, make shorter, make longer, or custom rewrite. I will click on Improve Writing. If you want this text to appear as subtitles in your video, toggle on the Show as Subtitles option. Scroll down a little and choose an emotion. I chose angry and clicked on Create Video to check out the expressions.
Welcome to Talking Photo with Avatar X. Just type your script to get started.
Now let's choose the excited emotion, click on Create Video, and check out the expressions.
Welcome to Talking Photo with Avatar X. Just type your script to get started.
Once everything is set, click on the Create Video button. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Vision Academy, and comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.